Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have several fun finds to share. We picked up a bag of these Empties. These are little thin mint kind of things. These are always so good. They had a bunch of festive candies. A marshmallow filled Santa. And this looks delicious. I love marshmallow and chocolate, so I was excited to try that. Yeah, 90%, I would say 95% of this portion of the haul is all like beauty makeup items. So we're just gonna jump right in with that. I needed to stock back a package of cotton swabs. These are the paper sticks, which I'm really happy about. You get 225 of them in this package, and I just finished up a package of Q-tips and I had no backup in the cabinet, so here those are. Repurchased some VO5. This is the moisturizing conditioner. You get 18 fluid ounces. This is new packaging, looks to be, and I got the scent passion fruit. This one always reminds me of my nanny, but I love to use this to shave my legs, and it's like the closest, smoothest, most moisturizing shave ever. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. It's amazing. No razor burn, no cuts. It's top tier. I've been using conditioner for years to shave. Highly recommend trying that out. And today I also picked up the Caress Daily Silk White Peach and Orange Blossom. This is a moisturizing bar soap. 3.15 ounces. It smells amazing. My nanny did used to purchase this one, so it also reminds me of her, but it smells so good. So good. And it says for noticeably silky soft skin. And $1.25 for one bar of soap, especially like Caress. Not bad at all. I was super excited to find this item. This is one of the items that I was hoping would be there today, so this is a wish list item, and it's the Hemp Happy Hemp Seed Oil Body Lotion Original, 12 ounces. They also had the coconut one in my store, but I like this original scent. It definitely reminds me of the real hemp lotion, or the Hemp's lotion. And I love that stuff, and I was so excited to find this. It smells amazing. I have to smell it right now. It smells so good. And the scent is kind of nostalgic, because I used to buy it when I was in high school. I mean, I bought it since then, but I'm talking about the original scent when I was going to the tanning bed. And this stuff's amazing. It smells so good. So I'm so happy that I found that dupe. And it looks like it's going to be thick and nice and creamy. Cannot wait to try that out. I also took a look at the hair products and stuff, and I found this claw clip, which I really love. I'm not always the biggest fan of pink, but I really love that pearlescent pink going on there. This one is big enough to hold my hair, so I was really excited about this find. It's so pretty. Cannot wait to start using that. $1.25 for a nice claw clip. Definitely can't beat that price. I also picked up some repeat makeup kind of purchases, and these are nail polishes. So the LA Colors Nail Treatment 2-in-1 Base and Top Coat. I love this as a base coat. Do not love it as a top coat. It's not good for that. See how thin it is? Not good for top coating. But base coat definitely does help prevent stainage and just helps add a extra layer of protection to your nails for your polish. I did not do a video on this, but this is my current panty. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. But yeah, needed a new base coat, so picked this up. And I also needed a backup of the Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry Quick Dry Top Coat. This stuff's amazing. absolutely amazing. I'm on day 3 of this base coat here. Not the nail art portion because I just done it yesterday. But day 3 of the base coat. And I've done dishes every single day. Laundry, deep clean the bathroom. Literally. And this is the top coat that I'm wearing. Yes. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. For $1.25. Highly recommend it. And it's like a thick, quick drying top coat. So it kind of gives you that gel-like effect. And before we get into the rest of the nail polishes I picked up, I want to share a couple makeup items I found. Because I'm pretty excited about the new nail polishes, like always. I hauled one of these a while back. This is the LA Colors Dual Lip Liner. And basically, it gives you like this effect here. I have the one in Fusion and I love it. It's so beautifully stunning. These are matte lip products, which I love even more. And this one's in Berry Sweet. I knew that if I ever found these in different shades, I would definitely pick them up. And look how stunningly gorgeous this red berry is. I can't wait to use this. And then another brow product, I could not help myself, but from Ioni, I found the pomade and plus brush brow duo. So this is supposed to be a pomade, and I got it in the shade medium brown. Hopefully this is not too light, too warm for me. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks like it's going to be fine, but we are definitely going to see. It says long wearing, buildable, smudge proof. Either way, I'm still going to use it. I'm still going to test it out. Even if it's completely wrong, I'm still going to use it for my brows. So paraben free, cruelty free, vegan. Yeah, super cute packaging. Real excited about this product. Equally excited about the new lip color. This is so stunning. Oh, I did find a new LA Colors polish today. This one is called Jelly Vibe. And I was kind of hoping I'd find some of these jellies after watching Lynn Marie's video. They also come with a cute little nail file. And this one is lightly scented, which is a first in my experience with getting these polishes with the files. And it's a cute file too. And this one is like this jelly formula. You can see it's sheer there. And it's kind of burgundy. Yeah, I would call that burgundy. Almost a wine color. And you can see here how it's darker up in this portion, and this is the lighter half of it, but it's a very light jelly formula. You can build this up. It's perfect for nail art. It's beautiful color, absolutely beautiful. 3 new Candy Moyo polishes, which I equally excited about as well. I love these Candy Moyos, even though they are usually a thinner formula. I just love the finishes on these. They build up, sometimes they dry quickly. I love the colors that they have available at the Dollar Tree. And today I picked up this brown color, which I don't have like a ton of brown polishes, and I figured, you know, for like nail art and stuff like that, this is number 990. I love how that looks. It's such a pretty brown. It reminds me of hot chocolate. I might have to do some hot chocolate nails. And then, this is beautiful. I almost left it behind, but it reminds me of Pacific Blue from Sally Hansen. They do not make that one anymore, so if this ends up being a close dupe, that's going to be great. And this is number 992. Another stunning nail polish. I really hope this is a close dupe for Pacific Blue, because this is absolutely beautiful. It looks so pretty with some glitter, especially holographic glitter on top. This one actually looks more purple smudged out than it does blue, even though the camera is still showing it to be very blue. So see how it looks very, very blue in the bottle? Swatched out, it's more purple. Still Absolutely beautiful shade. I'm going to get a ton of use out of that. I just know it. So pretty. And then the last one from Candy Moyo I picked up is 996. Which is kind of like a dark indigo or navy blue, really. Either or. We'll see what it looks like swatched out. Really pretty though. Oh yeah. Super dark. Look how beautiful that is. I would say, if not a navy blue, maybe a midnight blue. That's pretty. Once again, probably going to get lots of use out of that. I use blue polish a lot. Such pretty nail polishes again today. I wish that they had more new ones, but those are all the new ones I found, and that is everything I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I hope that you enjoyed the haul. As always, if you see any of the items that you would like a review on, demo tutorial kind of thing, definitely leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.